Welcome to the Recon Trader. In today's video, I will share with you a quick profit update on my CoinRule Bitcoin grid bot I deployed just around 9 days ago, so just over a week ago. Now, if you're not familiar with CoinRule, it is a platform that allows you to basically develop your own rule-based trading strategies and deploy them on your exchanges that you have your funds currently held on. You don't actually ever send any money to CoinRule. Your funds actually stay on the exchange and are as secure as they can be when being held on an exchange. Now, with that being said, you can actually get started for free, and the grid bot I deployed in the previous video would be able to be deployed via their free package. Now, if you missed that video, first of all, you might want to shoot that subscribe button so you don't miss future videos, but I will leave a link in the description down below so you can check out the configuration video of this particular grid bot. Now, with the starter plan, you do get 2 live rules, which are basically 2 live bots. And you can also deploy 2 demo rules, so basically 2 paper trading or demo bots as well. Now, besides the limitation in the number of bots, you're also limited to the amount of monthly volume you can trade in a grid bot. Could trade quite a bit in volume, and you are limited to around 3K a month in trading volume. So if you think you're going to deploy more bots or have a higher trading volume, you might want to jump up to the hobbyist plan for $29 a month, and that will get you up to 7 live rules and up to 300K in monthly trading volume. So that's enough jaw-jacking. Let's get to the actual results. Now, if I jump over to my CoinRule dashboard, you can see I have a few different rules or bots currently running. And the one we're going to take a look at today is the Recon BTC Grid. And I just give that a click. And you can see the performance for this rule or the grid bot is up currently around 5.5%. Now, I deployed the bot on September 14th, so it has been just about 9 days. And therefore, this bot is producing just over 0.5% profit per day. Now, on Bitcoin, that's not too bad. Actually, I do typically shoot for about a 1% profit per day on a lot of my grid bots, but that is on more volatile altcoins like Matic or ADA. With Bitcoin and Ethereum, if I can notch a 0.5% profit per day by basically doing nothing but buying the dip and selling the rip up, I'm perfectly satisfied with that. And if we look at the performance chart, you can see when I first deployed the bot, there was not a whole lot of volatility in the market. And then we started to see the big sell-off in Bitcoin, the bounce up, another big sell-off. Now we've got some volatility. The bot is now starting to capture quite a bit more profit with the added volatility in Bitcoin. Now, the settings were pretty basic on this particular bot. I basically said if Bitcoin has price increase by 0.9% from the current price level, it is to sell $20 of that coin to my USDT wallet as a market order. So if the price was to go up $20, I want the bot to sell my Bitcoin for profit and add it to my USDT wallet. And then on the flip side, or if BTC has a price decrease by 9% from the current live price, buy $20 of that coin being Bitcoin, with my USDT wallet as a market order. So again, if the price goes down 0.9%, I want the bot to buy Bitcoin at the lower price, and then of course later on sell at a higher price. And I set it up to run 999 times and started on September 14th, 2021. And you can see the exchange I'm using is Binance US. The start date again was September 14th. The actions triggered, it's actually pulled the trigger 126 times. And the fees that I've actually paid is $1.92. Now the dollar amount's not a huge amount, but that's because I chose a very small dollar amount to buy and sell of $20. The idea was I had so much Bitcoin already in my exchange, I wanted to give the price action room to move up. I think I had around $2,000 worth of BTC. Again, that is all detailed in the setup video that will be in the link down below. And I wanted to give the bot plenty of room if the price was to go up to sell off that Bitcoin at higher prices. I didn't want to sell it all off quickly in case that price would continue to go up. I wanted to take advantage of the rising price. Now, on the flip side, I believe I also had around 2,000 USDT in reserve on the exchange. And again, I wanted to be buying slowly on the way down. I could have selected $200 for the sell and buy amount, but that would have only really given me essentially 10 grids, where by choosing the $20 amount, that actually gives me 100 grids in either direction essentially. Now, this setup is not your traditional grid bot setup with a lot of open limit sell and buy orders, which would look like one of these traditional grid bots where you see the red lines and the green lines making up your grid, and there are a bunch of open sell and a bunch of open buy orders already placed on your exchange. That is not how this particular bot is set up. I do not actually have any open limit sell or buy orders. In this case, the bot is just simply looking for price movement of 0.9% in either direction to either buy or sell. And so I'm simply calling this a grid bot because it's essentially buying the dip and selling the rip. And so the strategy is very similar to a grid bot, just without all the open limit buy and sell orders. So I think that pretty much just wraps it up. I just wanted to do a quick profit update for you to show you that this particular strategy is actually working on CoinRule. Very simple to configure. You don't have upper limits or lower limits. And so this bot will basically just follow the price up or down without the limitations of a traditional grid bot. So if you like this video, do me a favor, spike a like. If you're interested in these type of videos, be sure to shoot that subscribe button. I try to upload a few videos every week. If you have any questions or comments, drop those in the comments section down below. And in closing, remember, never send your money into battle without first doing your recon. See you in the next video.